Lexus here. Job was previously done using 2K clear coat, which is really bad for your headlights, and a lot of work. It's an extra charge to do the lights. This is what you have. You see it peeling like that, sunburned tops, typical. The right side here, again, peeling, typical burn. Sometimes they permanently etch the light. Anyway, we took care of business as usual, came out great. If you're in Broward County or Miami-Dade, look at this. Miami-Dade County, Palm Beach County, we are 100% mobile. Give us a call, send us a text us your pictures. 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769.